Annyeonghaseyo, hello guys! Welcome back to vlog. I am Ara.
And I am Yumi, and we are the co-sisters for today's vlog.
Ayan, samahan nyo naman kami sa amin another day and another mini vlog ganap. It's Sunday today, linis-linis para tanggal yung alikabok.
At this time pala, tumulong kami maglinis kay Mami. I bring the laundry basket downstairs para makalabas si nanay. At si ate naman yung toka para magbaba ng glass. Dahil wala pa kaming pasok, we always help our nanay and mommy. And after we done shower and cleaning, we eat macaroni salad. Gawa pala to ni nanay, magkaunta ninyo. And fast forward, bandang hapon. And our mommy's friend invite us to their house because it's the baby 100 days. At malapit lang to sa amin bahay at naglakad lang kami nila ate at si mami. Look guys, at may baon si ate chocolate. Kaso hindi makain kasi melty na siya. And we arrived here in tita's house and we saw a sign, beware of dog. Sabi namin, tao po, tao po. Akala namin may malaki na aso. Ang liit pala ng aso nila at mabait at cute siya guys. Nakakahiya kasi kami yung una na visitor dumating. And they are done preparing food and decorate. Hi ate and baby Seiya, you're so cute naman. And I play with her little oppa and her name is Shihu. Habang wala pa yung mga bisita, they take a picture with Seiya. Kaso wala sa mood, umiiyak siya. Antok yarn. Smile ka na Seiya, and ate is playing with Sihu and hugging. And while 5 p.m. na, we are starting to blow candle and saying happy birthday to Seiya. Dahil hindi abot ni Sihu yung cake, kinarga ko pala siya. Hi po mga beautiful tita, shout out po sa inyo. Thank you po for inviting us Seiya's 100 days. We are so happy po. At ang sarap po ng food ninyo. Sa Korea pala, yung 100 day celebration, tinatawag pala ay Bake-il. It means the child surviving the critical first 100 days after birth. At ito daw ay significant challenge sa mga Korean. When me and Yumi was baby, we also celebrate 100 days. After the party, Appa told us we will go to the Lala Garden. Sinundo pala kami nila Appa sa bahay. Dahil busy lagi si Appa, he make time to us. He promised that pupunta daw kami sa Lala Garden. Dahil today is Sunday, ang daming taong nagpunta dito kahit gabi. Sobrang ganda pala dito sa loob at ang laki. Yumi is checking kay mag-order na daw siya. Dahil gusto niya uminom ng mango shake, tapos ako naman ay blue lemonade. Dahil nakapila na kami, me and mommy already order food. You may want to sit in this area but Appa said it's so dusty. Kaya umakyat pa kami sa taas. Medyo madaming bata dito na side. Baka daw madumihan yung food namin. Maarte talaga yung Appa namin. Hay nako ate, nasa tuktok na tayo nakaupo.
At after 48 years, dumating na yung pagkaan namin. We order mango shake, blue lemonade, and pasta na meatball. Masarap pala to sa Lala Garden. Mag-share kami ni Yumi dahil nabusog kami sa dinner namin kanina. So I help Yumi. I put the spaghetti and meatballs at her plate. Kaon og daghan meng, kaan tayo guys. Sa hindi pa po nakapag-follow, please follow the co-sister po.
That's all guys. Thank you for watching. See you in our next vlog. Bye!